Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a great cup of coffee. We'll start by focusing on the foundational elements that elevate your daily brew. First, always begin with fresh, high-quality coffee beans. Grinding them right before you brew is crucial for preserving their rich aroma and flavor. Also, using filtered water is essential to avoid any off-tastes. Finally, precise measurements of both coffee and water ensure consistent, delicious results every single time. Next, let's talk about two critical factors: grind size and water temperature. Your grind size should always match your brewing method. For example, a coarse grind works best for a French press, while a very fine grind is perfect for espresso. For water temperature, aim for between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Water that is too hot can scorch your coffee, leading to a bitter taste, so avoid boiling water directly. Now, let's briefly explore some popular brewing methods. The French press is known for producing a full-bodied, robust cup, allowing the coffee oils to remain. Pour-over techniques, like the Chemex or V60, emphasize clarity and highlight the coffee's nuanced flavors. Espresso machines deliver concentrated shots, forming the base for lattes and cappuccinos. Finally, drip coffee makers offer a convenient and consistent way to enjoy your daily brew with minimal effort. To truly perfect your coffee, remember a few final tips. Always preheat your brewing equipment to ensure stable water temperature throughout the process. A common coffee-to-water ratio is 1:16, meaning 1 gram of coffee for every 16 grams of water. Store your beans in an airtight container, away from light and heat, to maintain freshness. Most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment with different beans and roasts to discover your personal favorite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.